Have you ever had a teammate spam, I need shields, and you didn't know how to drop it fast? Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to drop items in Apex so you can keep your squad alive. Here's why it matters. Sharing loot is the difference between a squad wipe and a win. A teammate with no ammo or shields is basically out of the fight. Step 1. Open your inventory with the tab key on PC or options or menu on console. Step 2. Hover over the ammo, shield cells, or the item you want to drop and press right click or your controller's drop button. You can also drop attachments straight from your gun in the inventory. This is huge if your teammate just picked up that weapon and needs gear fast. Trust me, squads that share win more. Next time your teammate pings for help, drop what they need, and you'll feel the difference in your games. See you in the Outlands, legends!